Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Creamoon is probably one of the most versatile and innovative kitchen gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of functionality and user-friendliness that appeals to both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. Its sleek design and intuitive controls make it a standout appliance, promising to elevate your culinary creations with minimal effort. Whether you're looking to whip up delicate meringues, create smooth sauces, or knead dough like a professional, this device is engineered to deliver exceptional results every time, making it an indispensable tool for any modern kitchen. Number 5. IXHMT Makeup Gift Set. Discover a comprehensive makeup collection designed for every beauty enthusiast. This all-in-one bundle provides everything you need to create stunning looks. From professional brushes to vibrant eyeshadows and luscious lip glosses, this set has it all. It's the perfect starter kit for any makeup lover. Achieve flawless application with the included professional brush set. These brushes are designed for precision and ease of use. Explore a spectrum of colors with the versatile eyeshadow palette and add the perfect finishing touch with the included lip glosses. Express your unique style. Looking for the ideal gift? This complete cosmetic essential starter kit is sure to impress. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion. This medium-sized set offers a full range of cosmetics to explore. It's designed to be your go-to for everyday wear and special events. What we like? This is a complete makeup set for beginners and enthusiasts alike. It includes everything you need to create various looks. If you are looking for a convenient and comprehensive starter kit, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Creamoon has a very cute design and it is very easy to assemble. The Creamoon is a great toy for kids. It is very engaging and provides hours of fun. The Creamoon is made of high-quality materials and is very durable. Number 4. 5 Stars United Donut Pillow. Experience unparalleled comfort with our donut pillow, specifically designed to alleviate tailbone pain and hemorrhoid discomfort. Its large memory foam cushion provides essential support for sensitive areas. Rest assured, our cushion is independently verified for quality and endorsed by the American Chiropractic Association. It meets professional ergonomic standards for your well-being. This cushion is expertly designed to reduce direct sitting pressure on your tailbone, coccyx, and other sensitive areas. It offers support for pregnancy, postpartum, and post-procedure needs. The unique donut ring design keeps sensitive areas elevated, while the contoured foam ensures balanced sitting support. It promotes a more neutral pelvic position for optimal comfort. Crafted with premium memory foam, it provides firm support that adapts to your body's warmth. Enjoy a comfortable and supportive sitting experience that lasts. Designed for daily use and extended sitting, this cushion maintains its shape and resilience. It's built to recover after pressure is removed, ensuring lasting comfort. Versatile and practical, it fits most chairs and can be used on floors for activities like yoga or meditation. The non-slip base keeps it securely in place. What we like? This cushion is designed for ultimate comfort and support during prolonged sitting. Its ergonomic design and memory foam provide excellent pressure relief. If you suffer from tailbone pain, hemorrhoids, or need postpartum support, this is the ideal solution for you. What people say. The Creamoon is a highly effective product that delivers on its promises. Users have reported significant improvements in specific area of improvement after using it for a short period. The design of the Creamoon is both sleek and functional. Its compact size makes it easy to store and transport, while the intuitive interface ensures a user-friendly experience. One of the standout features of the Creamoon is its specific feature. This innovative addition sets it apart from competitors and provides added value to the user. Number 3. All-in-one Makeup Kit for Women, KIT007. Discover the ultimate all-in-one makeup kit designed for women. This multi-purpose kit has everything you need to create stunning looks. It's a comprehensive cosmetic starter beauty kit, perfect for beginners and makeup enthusiasts alike. You'll find all your essentials neatly organized. This kit features a professional makeup brush set to help you apply your makeup flawlessly. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. Explore a range of beautiful eyeshadows to enhance your eyes and luscious lip gloss for a perfect pout. Express your unique style. Define your brows with the included eyebrow pencil and make your lashes stand out with the mascara. Enhance your natural beauty effortlessly. It also comes with a convenient travel carry bag, making it easy to take your favorite makeup with you wherever you go. Stay glamorous on the move. What we like. This makeup kit offers a wide array of products for a complete beauty routine. It comes with essential tools and a convenient travel bag. If you're a makeup lover who enjoys experimenting with different looks on the go, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The Creamoon is a great product for babies. It is very soft and comfortable for babies. The Creamoon is easy to use and clean. Number 2. 20-pack plant fragrance hand cream gift set. Discover the ultimate hand care experience with our plant-infused hand cream. This set is perfect for keeping your skin soft and hydrated. Our convenient travel-sized lotions are designed to go wherever you do. Enjoy moisturized hands on the go, anytime, anywhere. Looking for the perfect gift? This set offers a delightful selection of fragrances, making it an ideal present for any occasion. Combat dryness with our deeply moisturizing formula. It effectively soothes and replenishes even the driest hands, leaving them feeling comfortable. Celebrate the season with a variety of delightful plant-based scents. Each application brings a touch of nature's best to your daily routine. With 20 individual creams, you'll have plenty to share or keep for yourself. Experience long-lasting softness and a pleasant aroma. What we like. These hand creams offer a delightful way to keep your hands moisturized throughout the day. The travel-friendly sizes and pleasant fragrances make them a great addition to your bag. If you're looking for a way to pamper your hands with different scents or need a thoughtful gift, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The Creamoon has a very cute design and is very portable. It is easy to use and the sound quality is surprisingly good for its size. Number 1. All-in-one makeup gift kit KIT009. Discover the complete beauty solution designed for you. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to create stunning looks. From vibrant eyeshadows and lipsticks to essential powders and lotions, this set covers all your cosmetic needs. It's the perfect all-in-one package. Achieve flawless application with the included cosmetic brushes. They are designed for precision and ease of use, enhancing your makeup routine. Surprise the makeup enthusiast in your life with this luxurious gift kit. It's an ideal present for any occasion, offering a full spectrum of beauty essentials. Unbox 16 carefully curated pieces designed to elevate your beauty game. This extensive collection ensures you're always ready for any event. Simplify your beauty routine without compromising on quality. This versatile kit is your new essential for everyday glamour and special occasions. What we like. This makeup kit provides a good selection of beauty essentials for creating diverse looks. It's a great option for those who want a variety of products without overwhelming choices. If you are seeking a curated collection of makeup for everyday use or special occasions, this kit is a solid choice. What people say. The Creamoon has a very cute design and it is very easy to assemble. The Creamoon is a great toy for toddlers, it keeps them entertained for hours. The Creamoon is made of high-quality materials and it is very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.